Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a yellow look. I'm already have my eyelids primed. Now I'm going to be setting them with the Airspun using a beauty sponge. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm going to be going with the color Eden just to give some color to my lid. I'm using the Morphe M330. It's just a blending brush. Right now I'm just packing it there. I'm not going to worry about blending it. Just want to give some color to my lid. So now I'm going with a color setter. I'm going to be putting on top of that Eden color. I'm still using the Morphe M330. I am just packing it in. I'm not blending it just yet. Now I'm going with the Jaclyn hair palette. I'm going to be using the color Butter on a Morphe M04. Just using it to blend in the harsh lines. Just blend. I just want it to be really blended. So I'm still using the Jaclyn hair palette. I'm going to go with the color Chip on a Morphe E18. I'm just going to be putting it right on my crease. I'm just packing it there because I want some color to be there while I cut the crease. Now I'm going back with the Morphe M504. I'm blending it in the color Chip from the Jaclyn hair palette. I want it to be blended to the other colors that. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I love this concealer. To cut in the crease, I'm going to be using my favorite brush that is for Morphe MB19. It's perfect for cutting creases. I love using this brush. Now I'm going back with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to be using the yellowish color Sphere. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm using a flat brush. It don't have a name. I guess one of my old brushes that I have that Now I'm going to be using the color Parallel from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to be putting it in my outer corner of my eye just to make it a little bit more darker. And I'm just going to blend it in with that yellowish color so I don't have no harsh line coming through it. You'll see here what I'm trying to do. I did my other eye off camera. Now you can see how both of the eyes look. Oh, so pretty. I love this color. I love the pop-up color. Now I'm getting ready to put some falsies, but first I'm going to be putting a very thin line of eyeliner. I am using the liquid e.l.f. eyeliner. That's one of my all-time favorites. Now time for lashes. I'm going to be using the Dollar Lash Club on the style Kylie. Those are my favorite. As you can see, they're so wispy and long. So pretty. Now time for primer. I'm going to be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I got this on my BoxyCharm. I love it. It's one of the best primers I ever used. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect on the shade 00B. I'm using my wet beauty sponge. This foundation shade is a little bit light for my skin color. Now that it's summer, I have a little bit of tan, but at the end, we'll make it work. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline FitMe concealer on the shade Ivory. Like I said, it's a little bit too light, but we'll make it work. Now it's time to blend my concealer. I like going with my fingers first and then with the beauty sponge. As you see now, I'll do that and then I'll go right away and start setting my concealer. Now I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm going to be setting my concealer And I'm gonna put a lot on it so it could bake. Then I'm gonna go all over my face and set all my foundation. Now time to add some color into my face. I'm going to be using the Highlight and Contour Palette by IBY Beauty on a fan brush from Crown. I love this brush. Now using a big fluffy brush, I am sweeping all the Airspun that I left there for baking and blending my contour so I don't have no harsh lines. Now I'm putting my setting spray on my beauty sponge so I can set all the powder that I used and kind of melt it into my skin. Now I'm putting a black eyeliner on my waterline. I like my eyeliner to be black. Now going back with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm going to be using the color Saturn. I'm going to be putting all underneath my waterline. I like it to be smoky and blend out. So for highlight, I'm going to be using the Pure palette bronzer and brighten. I love this highlighter. It's just such a pretty color. It just keeps you glowing all day. Now for lips, I'm going to be using a nude color and it's a Tarte's, I don't know the color. I got it on my Ipsy bag. So it's a mini lip gloss, but it's so pretty. It goes perfect with this look. Now we all done. This is the final look. Let me know if you guys like it. Give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you next time.